you look back hundreds of years with any technology, as you've taken on a new technology that replaces a human function, you lose that human function. You look at the cartoon Wall-E from Pixar, and you look into the future, this dystopian future where these human beings are floating around on these kind of recliners, drinking Slurpees, and robots do everything for them. And in that future, human beings become lesser. They lose capability to do a lot of things. I've lost the ability my sense of direction is much worse now than it used to be before GPS.
Yeah, mine is as well.
When I used to drive around and have to rely on a map, I would learn roads. I would learn names of roads. Before I had a cell phone, I knew a lot of phone numbers in my head. And by making things easier, I outsourced that knowledge to a device. Now, I know that a lot of technologists are talking about brain-computer interfaces and kind of the future of using the brain basically in conjunction with a device. We're already kind of there when you think about how connected people are to their cell phones all the time. But I also see that as potentially a loss.
Yeah.
I think that anytime you can continue to put stress on your brain outside of technology and keep your muscles, keep your mind strong, that's something that's important for humanity, and that makes technology better in the long run because it means that we're better at using the technology to enhance us rather than using the technology as a crutch.